for it.
Hubba bubba. Should I spit this out? Just
on.
don't get in on my zit, okay?
No.
Alright, so basically today we are in the Northwoods and...
Ooh. What? Oh, jeez, they have it down. They're hungry.
We're in the Northwoods with my mother and father, and they wanted crappie fish, so we decided to, you know, show them what we got, because I am the crappie fisherman and the bass fisherman. So these are my parents, Tom and Kelly Krause. Give it up.
And coincidentally, my nickname my whole life has been Crappie.
Yeah.
Hey, Crappie.
This is Crappie
Oh,
Krause.
Crappie.
Crappie's catching crappie.
So, oh, forgot to introduce Bob the...
This is Bob Lowy, the guide.
Showing us the way.
Give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up.
The guide right there. Anyways,
If you get tired of catching them here, I can take you to another spot. He's got all kinds of spots.
so anyways, we're fishing with my parents while Luke's parents are over yonder, and we're kind of having a little derby
I
day,
took Allison out
as Luke would
one
say.
time.
So,
He
yeah,
and I.
let's show them what we got.
Hey, let's talk about your outfit.
Competitive dock walking.
Let's go.
Why do you have an inhaler?
Get in the boat!
Boat and let's go. Ho ho, yeah.
You gonna untie us?
Yes.
I love the beginning of this bass and bucket
Kelly
video.
is
You
in
should
the
have got the
boat.
collar and all that
Emma,
stuff.
you look so silly.
Yelling and hollering?
Yes. All right, everybody! Tournament day! How does everybody feel?
Tournament
Jackson
day.
wants to off himself. But we're ready to go. What about Bob? Let's see what Bob's doing. Excuse me, Mom. Let's see what Bob's up to. What's Bob doing?
And Luke is behind you and me.
Hey, Bob.
I'm sitting on your lap, aren't I, here?
I'm taking a nice video.
Let's smile, Bob.
Okay.
All right, Bob and Kelly, even though it's a video. Yep, he's not looking. Just let him do his thing. Okay.
How many people
Who's that ugly boy?
Oh, boy. Uh-oh, I won't hook you. Maybe a couple times in the back of the head I'll get you. Is that okay?
What?
Sometimes I might hook you in the back of the head.
Mom, you probably won't think that's funny.
It's not the first time. that
Okay.
Guys, I am fishing with a
I got your
no
little
fingernail. So, this
swim
might
bait
be
on
really
there.
interesting. Can you get?
Hey, I got a swim bait on one of
Thinks
these.
he's the star of the show.
It's right there.
That ain't true.
Luke,
Luke!
Yeah, let's see it.
stick him.
Don't worry, the vlog must go on. Goodbye, Eileen. Peace out. Peace out. No, no.
Hey, what's going on there?
I have a broken finger.
What are you doing there, Norm?
Stop.
I put a lot in it, Kelly,
I got hair in my mouth. My hat's on sideways.
Okay, tell me about it.
so they can swim.
We're not PK tossing this bad boy. We don't do that.
That's
Look
a
at
keeper.
Ripping lips. Okay, put this in, please.
Okay. Grandpa, you got one? Bluegill.
Bluegill? Oh, that's a dandy.
By the way they fight. Seasoned vet. Seasoned veteran
Our
up
guide.
here. We don't keep those. No. PK. Another one?
What do you got to say
Oh.
about it?
There we go. All I gotta do is try a little bit. Little guy.
Tom's on the board.
On the board. The littlest crappie in the boat.
Hey, Crappie.
Crappie caught a crappie. Littlest fish today.
Little paper thin.
Little paper lip.
Okay.
Look at that.
There you go.
Well, I can take fish off.
All right, what happened, Kelly?
That was steak.
Was that a keeper?
Oh, I don't know, was it?
Was it a little chip?
It's like this big.
No.
I want to go after and let you keep it.
Okay, Tom.
You guys.
Oh, whatever.
Second fish of the day. It's a little guy, but you know, we only grow up right here.
Action.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw it out there with a broken pinky. Keep my pinky out, because of course it hurts. And then I just go like this, and I got one.
Tell me
So,
what you're doing.
Basically, I don't have a hook.
Oh, you got bit off by a pike?
Yes.
Little pip.
Triple header.
A triple hitter.
Number 1,
Uh-oh.
number 2,
Let's see, Bob.
number 3. Grandpa, hold on to that thing.
Hold your fish up. Triple hitter. Oh, I keep
You
losing.
got bit off?
Yes.
Emma, what do you got?
Fish.
Fun.
No, that's a beak. That's a one.
That's a good one.
Why am I getting the chips?
Your kid.
What do you got, Kelly?
Why am I getting the little potato chips?
I want to live.
That's a good fish. Peepee, get in there. Oh, there I got him.
Oh, Bob's got one too.
Quadruple header? Oh, look at this one.
Oh, that's a good
Hey.
one. Bob, you're the winner.
What do you got?
Crappie.
Crappie.
Crappie. Look at that. A triple header. Good.
Or so.
Oh my gosh. Nice.
Catch my weed bass.
Nice weed bass.
Wait, let's hold him up.
Johnny Weed Bass.
Hold the rod. Thank you very much.
It's gonna be glass tonight. Look at it small.
I know. It's fun.
Yeah. This is what my life wants
Pick it up.
at 62.
Better. Good job. Peep.
All right, you guys clean the fish. I'll run and get the gas and put my boat on a charger. Come on.
Hey, how many did you catch? Peep.
Like literally half.
I'll go.